The 1953 Swandean Spitfire Special race car is a remarkable piece of automotive history, born from the innovative mind of Michael Wilcock, a Spitfire aircraft enthusiast and Worthing garage proprietor. The car was built around a 21-liter, 12-cylinder Rolls-Royce Merlin engine, salvaged from a Supermarine Spitfire World War II fighter. This power unit was so large and heavy that the single-seat car required a chassis constructed from two Daimler Dingo scout cars welded end-to-end, resulting in a vehicle that was 21 feet long and weighed 2.5 tons. The car featured full-time four-wheel drive with 4 speeds forward or reverse. Wilcock named it the Spitfire Special and entered it in the Brighton Speed Trials of 1953. Despite initial brake failure, subsequent appearances in 1954 and 1956 were more successful. The car's top speed in third gear was reported to be over 150 miles per hour, with the potential for even higher speeds in fourth gear. In 1957, American sportsman and aviator S.J. Casey Lambert purchased the car, renaming it the Lambert Engineering Special. It became a fixture at his summer home in Minocqua, Wisconsin, where home movies show Lambert driving it on the road, followed by a lorry loaded with aviation fuel and coolant. Fuel consumption was extraordinary at 1 gallon every 2 miles, 3 gallons per mile, according to some sources. After being retired and donated to the Sunflower Museum and Boatworks in the late 1960s, the car suffered damage when the museum's roof collapsed under heavy snow. Ownership passed through several hands until it was acquired by Hunter Classics, who recently completed a full restoration to its Lambert Engineering Special configuration. Michael Wilcock, now retired in Jersey, provided additional details about the car's unique components, including a steering box from a Daimler 66 limousine that once belonged to King George VI, a Leyland truck clutch, and a Crossley prime mover gearbox. The car's immense power made it capable of wheel spin on all 4 wheels below 100 miles per hour, making it both exhilarating and dangerous to drive. The Swandean Spitfire Special stands as a testament to post-war ingenuity and the passion of its creator. Its journey from a Worthing garage to American ownership and eventual restoration is a fascinating chapter in automotive history. Today, the car is in better mechanical and bodily condition than ever, a true testament to its enduring legacy.